a couple of things. Abantu bayikhulumela bona ukuthi bathi they feel ukuthi indlela engilida ngayo I lead with generosity. Seriously program yokuthi abantu abenza izinto ezinhle asiba appreciate, asibabongazi, ungalahli ithemba. Kubantu abasha kakhulukazi hlala ukhumbula ukuthi lapho uvela khona nalapho yakhona indawo empilo ehlukile. Imuva lakho alingadefine indlela yakhe yaphambili. Wena nje phokophela phambili uyinikele kokwenzayo. Thina ke la masenza asenzele ukubonga. Senza ngoba we feel ukuthi it's the right thing to do ukusavisa abantu ngendlela eyona yona.
Igama uSnesh Mayinoni intokazi kaMakhanya from eMashelela TV. Kanti ke sesize safika kusingaye nkosiyami. Njoba nisibona ke sihlangene la sizo honorisha yena ke ubaba.
Sawubona?
Yebo njani?
Siyaphila umbonami sibonga.
Yebo baba. Ngabe isurprise uzizwa njani? Buwazi ngayo noma ungazi le surprise owenzelwe yona?
Umsakazi nababukeli bengingazi ilutho, bengingasoli ilutho. Ngibizwe nje ukuthi ayangifiki ngizokhuluma kwenye yama events into engijwayele ukuyenza ke leyo. Hayi ngafika ngithi ngizokhuluma kanti ingami lento ayinga event yomunye umuntu and I'm very surprised. I feel honored, I feel humbled.
Yes. Khona lento yenzile kubantu wena ngokwakho kubuka yini lo yenzile ukuthi abantu bagcine sebe decide ukwenza lento kanje?
Umsakazi nababukeli a couple of things. Abantu bayikhulumela bona ukuthi bathi they feel ukuthi indlela engilida ngayo I lead with generosity. So kuthi abantu banako ukufeel ukuthi uma beze kule office elinabantu abaningi, I'm one of them, baye bafile ukuthi bamukelekile, baye bafile ukuthi izinto abeza nazo ziyakwazi ukuthi ziphakamiseke zipromoteke. So lokho nje on its own is part of what they were saying is generosity. Abantu bayafila ukuthi bayasupporteka njengoba ngisho ukuthi le office kamasipala la kwa-ABM vese umsebenzi wethu ukuhlanganisa nokuxhumanisa abantu. Bayafila ke abantu ukuthi hayi mabefike la bangena kule minyango kukhona umehluko owenzekayo eyintweni abazenzayo kwesinye isikhathi naseyimpilweni zabo.
Wena personally baba le surprise nokubona abantu uthando lwabo in future likwenza like lokho kuhle ukubhebhethekisa ngithi baba?
No, certainly angibusho lokho umsakazi ukuthi sinayo i-program yoku-appreciate abantu vele as part of umsebenzi we-office. Kodwa ke okwenzeke namhlanje kungenza ukuthi ngiyithathe seriously program yokuthi abantu abenza izinto ezinhle asiba appreciate, asibabongazi, asiba promote ngendlela eyona yona. Noma kanjani from now onwards nami ngizothatha seriously i-program yoku appreciate abantu ngoba into esiyenza ngothando kodwa siyabona ukuthi hawu kanti uthi unikeza uthando lubuye seluyindathana.
Yes, so baba ngiyazi ukuthi nawe ukukhula kwakho kube nenqinamba until uzofike la kubanga simoto. So ungathini kumuntu osazama naye ukuze afike esigabeni? Yini into ongamotivate ngayo ukuze abe confident aphokophele futhi kule nto ayifisayo?
Yabona nje uyihlaba esikhonkosini. Engizothanda nje ukuthi ngigcizelele kubantu abasakhulu kakhulukazi ngisho nasebekhulile ungalahli ithemba. Kubantu abasha kakhulukazi hlala ukhumbula ukuthi lapho uvela khona nalapho yakhona indawo empilo ehlukile. Imuva lakho alingadefine indlela yakhe yaphambili. Wena nje phokophela phambili uyinikele kokwenzayo. Thina ke la masenza asenzele ukubonga. Senza ngoba we feel ukuthi it's the right thing to do ukusavisa abantu ngendlela eyona yona. Kodwa uma sekhona ukubongwa lokho sekwenzeka okungekona ukuthi bongwa mina kuphela kodwa kubonga nethimba lami ngiliholayo, lokho yilokho kuthiwa phecelezi is a cherry on top. Into esiyibonga kakhulu.
Yes, nathi siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi interviewe neqhaza futhi olidlalayo ebantwini ngoba siyabona ukuthi nabo futhi bayabonga abakuthathela phansi okwenzayo.
Ngiba kakhulu umsakazi ngiyabathembisa abantu esisebenzisana nabo, our stakeholders, our customers, ukuthi sozama nje ukuthi si-improve kuloko esikutholayo. Angithathi ngokuthi sesifikile sakafiki. You never arrive, so we'll keep on improving, keep on doing better. Siyabonga.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.
Siyabonga.
Amagalelo namava enu abonakala emphakathini.
Siyabonga.
Yes. Thank you.
Igama uSnesh Mayinono intokazi kaMakhanya khona ke la kwiMashelela TV. Ndika manje sengihamba nomunye womuntu wesifazana ngisahambi namazuza phela kazala. Sabona sisami.
Hi, sawubona njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Siyaphila.
Yebo ngapho ba usisigama.
Igama lami nguVuyo
Yes.
Namanya.
Ngiyaqala usizwa like okay.
Xhosa.
Oh, Xhosa. Okay. Vuyo ngabe namhlanje bekuyini la?
So today sibe ne privilege ukuthi sikwazi uorganizela uMr Mbonambi this day to honor him. Njengomuntu owenza izinto enkulu emphakathini, and we noticed ukuthi uhleze siza abantu but sometimes he put himself last. Uhleze beka idingo zabantu phambili and aneglect ezakhe idingo, unlike abantu abaningi nowadays bakusiza if there's something that they're gonna get, yabo. So yena he's always been a selfless leader. Uyona yonke into akusiza ngayo uhleze enzela ukuthi if he can help you learn from that now ukwenza kwabanye. So umuntu in the community that keeps the community together, efundisa whether you're young, umuntu osifazane, umuntu osilisa, umdala, ukubhizinesi uyafunda, he always has a space for you.
Okay, so usakhuluma kulapho kuleyo ndaba yokuthi he always has a space for you. Wena ngabe wena uku-accommodate kanjani kuleso space?
Mina I've been using their center for my trainings when I'm hosting my business class, master business classes under organization, and we do e-marketing through their center. Basinikeza equipment for free because we serve umphakathi, women empowerment, izinto ze community development, abantu abasha, izinto zikwazi siba develop ama-business, ukubafundisa nge-technology, how to make money through AI, all those things, because abantu abaningi abakwazi ukuthi bahambe ba university to learn lawo ma skills, but at the end of the day akwena wonke umuntu othola umsebenzi oqashwayo, so we have to ukuthi thina si create a process la abantu bazokwazi ukuthi bafunde izinto ezobasiza. And now we're living in the technology in times, digital times, so people need to know ukuthi how do you make money through TikTok, ama ads, marketing, everything, because wonke umuntu une-phone, wonke umuntu akwazi ukuhlala without data. So we've been so privileged ukuthi sikwazi ukuhosta wonke lawo ma-developing programs la e-ABM through usizo lika Mr Mbonambi, and with that sikwazi ukureacha so many communities from Enanda, KwaMashu, Emlazi, Pietermaritzburg, even some parts of the Eastern Cape, Gobizana, and it's still going more and more, which is why I was saying when you come to his office, we are linking a band, you end up creating this community where you have the ability to help more people.
Okay, so ngabe manibafundisa abantu khona if abayikhokhayo noma is for free?
Most of our programs is are for free, and that's one of the things actually ukuthi this is outstanding for you guys ukuthi you take your time and qashwe ndawo but you're willing to teach abanye abantu into for free. So I'm very happy about this because anibavalela abantu ngaphandle, and to be for my surprise abantu abaningi abafikayo kuma trainings wethu abantu besifazane ne youth. And so in South Africa nowadays njengoba imisebenzi ngasekho abantu besifazane ne youth ibona abantu bazokwazi create ama opportunities, ngaqala ama businesses, siyeke lento ukuthi siye esikoleni siye university ubuye uzobhala iCV uhlale phansi. Yeah, so we have to learn ukuthi uyahamba uyofunda, yes, but also know how to have your business plan, ube business minded, wazi ukuthi yenziwa kanjani business plan, yenziwa kanjani your company profile, yabo, because everything ikhona on the digital stuff that we all use.
So after senibafundisile angisho ukuthi bonke but khona ingcenye yabo enibanikeza ikhala within, because most of the time basuke bengakabi nayo into abangaqalela phezu kwayo after ukufunda.
Yeah, mina I've been lucky enough to work with a lot of particularly young females aba business minded, and some of them banama products manje. And to mention a few, khona usisi la ubusisiwe Mande, I'm very proud of her. I met her evela senayi product yakhe wenza amalahle charcoal with her own hands, and it's beautiful. In my opinion, it's one of the best that I've ever seen, because even abantu abayibonayo, they were like, yo, this is different, yabo, and uyenzela elokishini kwamashu. So not only her baningi, but she's just outstanding because it's a local brand. And if you remember Mr. Mbonambi, we must stop uthemu ukuthatha izinto za overseas and leave izinto zangala, yabo. So we're trying to protect the economy as South Africa. We're trying to ukuthi abantu abanama businesses bakwazi ucreate imisebenzi by finding abantu abanama products and help them grow.
So umuntu khona umuntu olaleli lapha ekhaya njengamanje othi wow lo sisi wazoyikhuluma into engiyide ngayo ngimthola kanjani?
I-organization yami is called Kuhle Rise with the KU eqaleni, and then I also manage a marketing company ebizwa ngokuthi iLemande Marketing. And I don't know if all my contact details are on social, and we are communicating with people on social platforms. But sorry, for people around KZN, this office it's a common place like programs that develop youth, abantu besifazane, all kinds of programs, so they can just find out when is something happening.
Okay, so ikhona number specific abangathinta kuyona?
0788-262-152. 0788-262-152. Thank you so much. Lovely talking to you.
It was lovely talking to you too. Kusayona ke ntokazi kaMakhanya Osnesh Mainono kanti ke sisakhona ke la siMashelela TV eABM. Angihambi ke ngedwa ngihamba nomama Nkosi yami. Sabona mama.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila. Ngabe ubani uma?
Mama uNtomfuthi Msomi.
Okay Msomi. Ngasho ngathi kunengara vele kahlonipha.
Ngenze ukuthi uhlonipha.
Future. Yebo. So ngokwakho ubekwa yini because ngizwile ngendlebe ukuthi hayibo uma uyena lo ovele wasigcwalisisa izisu catering.
I know ngibekwa ukuthi I'm a service provider. I provide service. So when I got invited to this event, I became so excited because I know Mr. Linda Mbonambi as he was honored. So the appreciation event because as a business woman, he contributed a lot. Angi inspiration, angi motivated, angi nige nama opportunity like shoot ane zamalapha, zamabani, yonke lonto leyo. So umuntu who always go out. Sometimes asizakali kodwa sometimes asizakala. So le nhliziyo anayo yokuthanda ukuthi asenze keep us empowered iyona engenze ngabalana.
Okay, so uqale nini like yini ekwenze waba nentshisekelo yokuqala catering?
Ngaba nentshisekelo because nje I had a passion on cooking nje indaba yokupheka into engiyithandayo nje ngiyathanda nje ukupheka even if you can go to my house and ngiyapheka kakhulu.
Okay mina ngivakasha.
So we started as nje group of abasithanda ukupheka mikuthwakshoniwe sasiza kanjalo nje then until we develop ukuthi no manje we must start a business. So ke kwaqala kanjalo ukuthi I know lethi umuntu abe ku business eyenziwe officially. I started the business go 2001 when I was a teacher. So ngalokho ngiqhubeka ke kanjalo until ngaze ngathi ngo 2016 I resigned as a teacher and then ngafocus on business as up until now.
Okay, so nginga right mangase ngithi ma'am.
Yes, as a result I met lots of my students ngangafundisa.
Wow, wasekhulile.
Umakhosazana lo khuzwayo I was teaching lo what MC. Yes, I was teaching her. Yes, nomunye Carol, there was Carol also. Nje I met my students lana.
Wow, yazi lokho futhi kejabulisa na ubona ukuthi hayibo into ede ngiyiproduce isihlumile.
Yes.
Hayibo, so wafundisa ziphi isifundo?
Ngafundisa life orientation nesizulu.
Okay, wow. Yazi
motivating children.
Hayi kuyadluleke lapho ma. So ubaba uMbonambi umaze nini?
Ngimaze uMbonambi sazana from at a very young age. Siphuma imlazi sonke e-primary besifunda together, e-high school besifunda together, and sababadala sithena masesi like isikhathi esiningi besebenza with Ink kade mina ngishadele ngakhona eNanda naseKamasho. So we met again saqhubeka sathola nanokuthi mina ngashadela kaMsomi yena unonkosikazi uMamsomi. So nje umhlobo lokhu uqhubekile nje that is why sinale connection.
For sure sukumele phezulu makuthiwa ake simshaye surprise. Wena ngekhathi kufika emadlebeni akho lokho kube njani?
I was so excited because ngiyamazi ukuthi umuntu ohlale enzela abantu azayikhohlwe naye. So nje niyazasho futhi hayi ngiyangibonga yabo hlale ethi nje it's not about uyena yabo. So ngijabulile ukuthi finally uyabongwa ephila, especially ephila kunokuthi sikhulume phezulu kwakhe engasasizwe.
And plus because most of abantu ababongwayo babongwa
sebengasekho yesi ngijabule kakhulu.
So back to catering yakho abantu abakufunayo njengamanje ukuthi wow siyafisa ukuke uma sibe naye uMamsomi azosenzela emcimbini yethu utholakala kanjani?
Oh siyatholakala because we have a office eNewlands and my number is 0835650157 but nje we go yonke indawo and we do all forms of catering. If it's food nje it's our business.
Okay bakubukha kuyona le number?
Yes.
It's
083-565-0157. That's my number.
Okay. Ninawo amanye ama social media handles?
Yes, sikhona ku TikTok, sikhona na ku Facebook.
Okay, mina ngiqalaze ku TikTok uba ku TikTok.
Ebhodweni caterers.
Ebhodweni.
Yes.
Sibonge kakhulu ukukhuluma nami.
Thank you so much.
Siyabonga.